Hey folks, this is Jacob at Gog's Camperway in Mankato, Minnesota. Today we have a 2023 Jayco White Hawk 27 RB. So this one's going to have a rear bathroom. It'll be a front bedroom. You'll notice we got a second door access for the bedroom there. So up front we have our power tongue jack with the little light. LP tanks behind there, a pair of 20s. And then this is where the batteries would go, right on the brackets back here. A lot of storage with our pass through here. Get a light. So we do have a battery disconnection there. Little switch. This one does have one slide out. We have one low point drain here. Little cubby for some storage. Here we have our holding tanks. This one does have two gray, one black. This one is a 30 amp hookup. Right above there we have our city water connection, our cable output. Back here we do have an outdoor shower, hot and cold. A full rear, full spare tire. And this one is prepped for a backup camera, which would be right up there. It does have a back ladder. You'll notice we do have the four corner stabilizers down. So we got to the front here. This does have a power awning with the LED strip. You can't see it now. It's a little windy out today. We do have a small fridge outside here and a drawer. A couple plugins, USB. Nice Jayco bottle opener there. Of course, we have our Goodyear tires. Place to mount the TV outside here. That is the water heater. And we got the furnace there and the ventilation for the refrigerator. This one does come with a griddle for outside here. It's hooked up to our J-port LP hookup here. So, alrighty, a few speakers as well. Take a look inside. Aluminum stair treads, nice and sturdy. Alrighty. So, really nice layout. It flows how it should. We'll start with our kitchen here. So we have our dual sinks, nice and deep. This does come off. Cabinet space above, plenty of it, and below. So we do have our 3-burner stovetop here. Cool little LED lights there. Got our oven. Tons of storage. So, microwave. Alrighty. So, you have a refrigerator here and freezer. This is a 12 volt. Pretty deep actually. Have our entertainment center, storage above, a little storage in between there, and our nice fireplace. So, do have our sofa and our dining table. Holds down to a bed. And Here we have our pantry. Couple hooks up there. And then we got our rear bathroom. It's actually fairly big counter space. A lot of storage. So have our toilet with a towel rack behind there, some storage behind the shower, and of course our walk-in shower. Nice natural light. We do have one of those in the living room as well. Forgot to show you guys our control panel here. So we have our J command screen here. You can actually have an app on your phone that can control all of the slide outs, lighting, and all that type of stuff. Awning. So back here we have the bedroom. This is a queen bed. Bunch of windows back here, which is kind of nice if you're on like a lake or something. Nice views right away in the morning. So we do have some charging there, some storage. Here we do have a closet, a couple drawers. The bed does lift up for some storage, and you can access that through the outside through the pass-through storage. Alrighty. So this is a 2023 Jayco White Hawk 27RB. If you have any questions or would like to come see this in person, just give us a call at 507-345-5858. Again, this is Jacob, and thanks for watching.